Yes, peeps, what's up, my beautiful peeps? Big up on yourself, whether another yard or abroad. Me I tell you, say, you don't know, say, a Spanish bridge me there right now, you know, me I tell you, say, me have some people that come from way over town there, they want some food, so we're up on the riverside and now. Me and Persie and uptown, so you know, say, we are going to do some cooking, you see it, in a real life. Actually, we start already, want to do some rice and peas, curry goat, jerk pork, fried chicken, some lobster. So stay tuned for that. You know what I mean? Spanish bridge me the peeps. Pretty and nice, you know what I mean? As you can see, I will up a YouTuber shot video yesterday, so you're supposed to familiar with the place. But me I tell you, say nice, rope swing, everything there. Same like how you see the water, I saw it looking in real life. Yeah. Right. See? Same say water look in a real life piece. Pretty and nice. You can see straight under the water. I should say you can see straight through the water. Yeah man, that's going in a real life. Don't know. See the place fully active. Yeah man, we over there so I deal with the cooking. So I soon make you see over there, but Spanish bridge with there, you know what I mean? So if you don't know where like Kingston or Mobile or anywhere you want there and you want to come out the river, you can just send me a text on WhatsApp, you know what I mean? The number, the WhatsApp number 876 333 8814. You know catch it 876 333, that is 333 8814. Send me a WhatsApp and send you the location for the river. I come here and cook some food for you. So when you and your friends and family reach, you come eat some food from Sunrise Boss. You in a real life. Right now I'm going in the kitchen and make you see what I go on, you know what I mean? Yeah man, never tell a lie. Don't. Spanish bridge with it. It's fully active. The Spanish bridge, you know, if you check out him Instagram, Spanish bridge, you know what I mean? MB, I'm on the place, you know, peeps. Yeah man, see it here? Yeah man, in a real life tour guy, you don't know a thing set.
Yeah,
one
man. Time.
Yeah man, so we're up on the riverside and no peeps. Don't know this I pork we a scald off, you know.
Bubble up.
Yeah man, scald him off, cause you don't know a thing set scald then you jerky. Yeah man. Uptown that, you know, uptown come a country. Yeah man, this a rice pot. Rice and peas.
One part to the pork pot, you know.
See that? Rice and peas, peeps. Yeah man, you don't know. So over here so we have a table with the things them. Yeah man, all of the spice them, you know what I mean? We have a fry some green plantain. Yeah man, we have some onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, yeah, so. And you don't know, this is the festival mix, peep. This have everything in it already, so only thing you need to do is just
water.
Yeah, just water it down and knead it, and you don't know, say you're ready to fry. Festival, you see it? Yeah man. See it, yeah? The fish this, you know, peeps. Yeah man. In real life, don't know them that go fry.
Snapper?
Yeah man. Some snapper fry. And also we have some chicken we are fried too, and we have the curry goat. You know what I mean? So everything looking good. Our lobster them there over here, so.
Lobster them live now, yeah.
Yeah man, just go buy some lobster at the sea, you know, people. $2,000 a pound, you know.
How much?
2,000.
Just a pound.
Just a pound, can't see your bag, man.
The pound is only 2. Still a move, you know.
Yeah man, see that? Right now if I put them in a river, then gone.
Still a
See the
move.
peeps? Right now if I put them in a river, then gone.
First, I hold a live one still. I really like.
I think I go hold one.
Tell I read
Joke,
that.
man, we can hold it.
You're not afraid of nothing, man. We are warrior now, man.
I'm
First
afraid
me
of
ever
them
hold
thing,
one.
Yeah, man. So you see all the lobster
them
now.
part of the meat there, no peeps.
Yeah, man.
And thick part there.
So what we are doing now, we are bust off all this and we make some garlic sauce so we can dip all this in.
Lobster you catch them like Jenga.
Where that?
You just want to attack them from back way. But
No, them we spring off and juke you if anything, so you have to know if you catch them. Yeah man, we there attack with lobster uptown, so I first one hold one, you know,
First,
peeps.
me ever hold a live one.
That's why you give me uptown come a country. When you come a country, everything up my country, boy.
all Jenga.
Never hold that.
Uptown you live.
Yeah man. So you know we there in the kitchen and we are doing little cooking and I run little joke. You don't know people them soon forward them say them there for them way. Over here so we have all the chair and the table. So we are gonna set them up somewhere off over there so them can eat. You know what I mean? Yeah man, we have some chair and we have the table them so. We have set up the area right over there so. Man, we have curry goat today no people. This is goat. But another one there we have curry. The one where we have curry seasoned up already. Yeah man. The Great Spanish Bridge. Yeah, one great Persie there chop up some fire tick. Goat you want to put on here so.
Yeah man, it a gone right here so.
Alright peeps, so we have catch this a fire yardman style. You know what I mean? We just use some fire tick. And we have to put on the goat. Uptown come a country. Check the rice. Looking good boy.
Put up on my rice up.
Yeah, a long time like this so it can rise. So we catch all the fire there two peeps. Just take out some of the charcoal, put in, yardman style. I want to put some more ice, some ice rice.
Yeah, take out some.
Still ice, man. Maybe you left the iron in the trunk. The iron no come none. But it look good.
And here him come here and have to come.
Diane, come man.
Left in the trunk.
Yeah, just get some of them. Some of them fine there. Done in no peeps. See there? Turn it done. Anyway, you see smoke, you see fire.
Ready.
So next time you see this a fire here, I goat a go pan it. Meh.
Let the ball on him go in there.
Yeah man, Spanish Bridge. See that? Some people come here now and go do tubing peeps. Some white peeps, you don't know, so them chaka, them tube from up here go down the river. Yeah man, see them over there so. Yeah man. Spanish Bridge. Yeah man, everybody outside. So one more bus they come in peeps, all heap for them. Yeah, man. Spanish Bridge. Pretty water. That's why everybody have to come here to do the rafting and the tubing peeps. Over here so I'm going to use back Adventure TV.
Yeah man. Yes, it's Spain, you know.
Yeah man.
We're outside now man. The equipment.
Yeah man.
Lie.
Right. It's beautiful man. Spanish Bridge. Yeah man. See that? Pretty. Yeah man, great chaka. Curry goat this, you know. Yes, I. Curry goat a bubble. Rice and peas are going on with. Oh my god. The pretty. Look funny. Sunrise production. Pretty. Yeah man. And the pork there so. That's call off, you know, say him soon jerk. Yeah. Uptown and Persie over here so. So they're not gonna goat.
Yeah, man.
They're not gonna goat feeds. Irish and carrot. You see there, some people, some tourists is doing tubing. Yeah, man, Spanish Bridge. Yeah.
Laughing and assisting along the way. It's got to be a fully wet trip. So if I get you guys wet, please, I'm asking you guys.
Yeah, man, jerk chicken, jerk pork. Yeah, man.
Alright, but now,
Jerk chicken, jerk pork, curry goat. So, ready to start frying some fish now. Yo, in a season. Look so. Yeah, man. I really like.
You never put no salt in it now.
They say it good for season now.
Can Maggie come
Yeah, man. Good this now. Salt did that one. Now see when I want to start deal with the lobster over here, so we are going to fry the fish.
I'll bring some more up.
You saying tough?
One part.
Yeah. Okay, now put in fish then. Use this something statement.
I just try them here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you know, say, yeah, where the fans them reach and excited as always, you know what I mean? So, still in our kitchen, I do some cooking, so then I'll take some swimming and then take some swimming and also food ready to eat, is it? Yeah, man, but fans them there, man, and fully active. Yeah, can lobster then come. Yeah, man. Lobster time. I jumped that bullfrog.
I didn't jump out here.
My jump, you come like you want.
You talking me, man, jump, eh?
Still a jump.
See that, I'm not lucky, man, jump.
Still a jump. So, lobster and fish.
Hi, Tracy.
Aye.
Nice to meet you finally.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, fans and rich peeps. So, again, we say every day.
Every time. You have no
I
idea.
look now, peeps, a 2 camera chef coming one side. Yeah, man, I just the vibes, you see it.
Yeah.
Good energy and all those stuff.
I love him, yeah.
Yeah, they are putting some chicken in the pot to fry, you know. Chicken. Curry goat still a bubble. As we show, no? Rice and peas done and pretty. Over here, so we have some pork, a jerk yardman style. Then, yes, right, lobster done. Now we clean them out and something see them here now. I'm gonna make my lobster sauce and some peeps and serve with this. Yeah, man. Yo, some of them I can pop off, you know, and put the like the varnish or zip. Yeah, man. So the thing looking good. It's soon done cook. Yeah, man. Alright, peeps, make some sauce for the lobster then I know, you know. Drop them in there. Sauce it up, peeps. I'm just boil them and make the sauce for them. Sauce them up. Yeah, man, put them in there. Small food time, you know. Pork, everything almost ready. It's pretty. A minute over here, so you know a jerk pork. Look on it, pretty. Yes, pretty and nice. So me there I line up them table if you share some food. So you know everything set. Share with time now, you know. Yeah, share out them food buffet style and then come share out. Yeah, man. So, alright, go and show the goat, you know, this. Curry goat is, you know. So, it's pretty. Nice. Yeah. Curry goat and Persie will share out the rice. See the rice there? Fried pork for that. And this is fish. So we are share out some food tips. I really like everything. Yeah, but you have to put one of the sauce food. Cover this. Lobster this one. Going on that sauce. Look. Fried pork and festival. So you can fry the festival. You go with the pork. Alright. The jerk pork is enough peeps. Ready, well sauce down. So I'm going to chop it up and now. Yeah, peeps, don't share food and now. We're going to fry some festival. Everybody there eat food and a full jar themselves. Yeah, man. Don't know. In a real life, and almost everybody want to go on the camera, so them just over there go and eat them food, and I say nice in a real life. And it's nice to true as you don't know you do good work in real life. So subscribe to your channel. See it up, peeps. Food time, you know. And when you know so everybody I eat for them food and a full jar themselves.
So where the food slap, we not save none.
Yes, it?
Have to finish it, we not save any, have to finish it.
Yeah, man.
Slap.
Food slap for you, peeps. Just a go mash up for me. See everybody over here, so. Here the master. Persie.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Food turn up, man. Yeah, man. I appreciate it, man. The pork mad. But the one thing, I have a left piece a little more. So, don't worry on yourself. It's all about it. Very good, man.
Yeah,
Big
man.
up for you. Alright, cool? Alright.
Yeah.
I'm right by Phoenix.
Food time, man. Uptown.
Bad.
How we did it, you know?
Yeah, man. Holy active.
Yeah, man. You try eat some food and our peeps. Big up on yourself. Subscribe to your channel. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, the food nice, man. Make them know, say, sunrise, you know? Rise up.
Yeah, man.
The food nice. Now go for a video, you know? Yeah, man. Now we are talking. Where food nice, me bust a plate in two. Look, me bust a plate in two. Cause me I tell you, the food turn up. No, I choose something.
Yeah, man.
Nice, man. Respect.
Yeah, man. You have food
Respect, man.
Yeah, man.
Come out, man. And come forward.
Yeah, man. In a real life, peeps.
Yeah, man. Subscribe. Tell them the subscription. Yeah, man. I choose something, man. Subscribe, man. I'm not talk about a sunrise this, you know, man. It's ready, man.
Yeah, man.
All the festival, I 4 me gone already, I want more, but me can't go on so gradually just, you know. Cause see birthday, man, they put it by the birthday, man.
No.
Put it a thing and me no want to eat off the festival. Now me see a bit, so me I go and take one, you know. I'm glad.
Yeah, man. Are you?
I choose something still. Is
Yeah,
it
man.
good, man?
Yeah, man.
I
You
appreciate
cook with
you.
love and all of that,
Yeah,
is
man.
it? Yeah, man.
time spent on it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we enjoy myself.
Yeah, man. Real peeps.
Quiet spot.
Yeah.
Take somebody else here.
Yeah, that's how I choose. We can't way up in the hills.
Right.
Spanish Bridge, where you just there by yourself and just quiet.
And he told me, I asked him about, hear me about private. He said, no.
Okay.
For real.
Yeah, of course.
Alright.
Because you say everything right.
Nice.
Yeah, man, you say everything right.
Food nice still.
Yeah. Yeah, real talk, man.
And the spot?
Yes.
Exclusive.
Yeah.
Nice spot.
Not disappointed.
Yeah, the spot.
Don't put me on the limit though.
Yeah, the spot.
Well, it can happen where me blur it out so them only hear your voice. Yeah, so like when you reach where like who say not to go up on the camera, we just blur it out so you not see nothing, you just hear the voice.
I'm going to camera to get enough light.
Yeah?
Not enough light.
Yeah.
Something else, some man run on and get it done.
I'm going to tell you something.
Come on and see.
Work on the look.
Yeah, man.
Look up there.
Don't get a Yankee when they come in, you know?
Cake that them can't come now, you know, peeps. Food don't eat, so you know, say. Cake time, you know.
Love yourself.
Yeah, you see this.
Hashtag big up yourself. Happy birthday, because you like liquor nice. 50.
Oh, sorry.
The man is simple, you know, but you know, very strong, so we have to just earth strong, so we have to just dig him up.
Here, call your sister. The same. Crazy one.
Right, yourself.
Hold up right now.
Yeah, man, we ready, man. Are you not ready? Everybody ready. Right now, you make every eyes upon you, you know. You see, when you just jump long time, we don't get a splash.
Nobody was looking back there.
Yeah.
It's different. It's funny, I used to do this shit years ago. It just feels different right now. That's all it is. What you said? Yeah. Get Americanized, you see it? Yeah? No, I tell you.
Alright, yeah, man. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah?
I'm gonna get no. Oh no, I'm gonna get no shot off of that.
Let go.
She almost got you.
You know? Yeah, peeps, you know that's it. Thanks for watching the video. We are gonna leave off at the riverside now. See the fans and gone back home. But look at the river, pretty and nice. Old Spanish bridge. Yeah man, place active.